Mitsuoka has done it again, and this one might be their most head-turning creation yet. The Japanese coach builder, known for blending nostalgic style with modern platforms, has brought back the bizarre M55, a limited production car based on the Honda Civic hatchback. It is weird, it is retro, and clearly it is what fans wanted. Originally launched as the M55 Zero Edition, the model sold out in just 10 days. So Mitsuoka is giving it another go with the new M55 First Edition. This time around, customers get more choices. 10 different paint colors, 3 trim grades, and 2 powertrain options, gasoline or hybrid. You can also pick between a 6-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable transmission. Visually, the M55 feels like a 1970s time machine. It pays tribute to the 4th generation Nissan Skyline C110, although its shape and lines might remind some people of a Dodge Challenger or even a Lancia from the same era. But despite all those throwback cues, it is still a Civic underneath, all 5 doors of it. Rear louvers and a sharp sloping roof give it more attitude than your typical hatchback. As usual, Mitsuoka walks a fine line with its designs to avoid legal issues, especially when it comes to trademarked elements like the front grille. The M55 name itself celebrates the brand's 55th anniversary, which took place in 2023. The new M55 First Edition is limited to 250 units. Prices begin at 7,568,000 Japanese yen, which is about $50,000, and can go up to 8,427,100 Japanese yen, or around $56,000. Orders are open now, but production and deliveries will not happen until 2026. With the Civic Coupe no longer available, Mitsuoka worked with the hatchback version instead. But with the Honda Prelude making a comeback, we are curious to see how far Mitsuoka will go with that canvas too. Something tells us they already have ideas cooking. If you enjoy quirky cars that make no sense but bring all the fun, this is your kind of ride. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wild car stories.